up, Dreamer Tribe? What's up, world? I am Bianca and welcome to another unboxing video. I will be unboxing the brand new Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. Right off the box, we already have the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G phone, and there really isn't much else in the box because of Samsung's brand new initiative against e-waste. So apart from the phone, we have the pin that you'll need in order to open up the SIM compartment, and what's inside, I think the cable is inside here, as well as the manual. There you go, the manual and the charging cable, and really not much else. So there is no wall charger adapter. You would have to purchase that for yourself if you don't already own one from the previous Samsung models. And again, that's because of the Samsung's initiative against e-waste. Samsung's latest high-end flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, has much to boast about. This monolith phone designed to deliver everything you could possibly want from a big-screen Android phone, from 5 cameras led by a 108-megapixel sensor, 2 telephoto cameras, 100 times zoom, and 40-megapixel selfies courtesy of the front-facing camera, to beefier specs with 5G capability, all-day battery life, up to 16GB of RAM, an upgraded in-screen fingerprint sensor that has a 1.7 times larger surface area, and S Pen compatibility, all packed into a 6-inch 120Hz Quad HD display powerhouse of a phone with a Snapdragon 888 64-bit octa-core processor. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra sets the bar high against its competitors. Though pricier than the other Samsung Galaxy S21 models, it does result in a spectrum of specs that can cater and meet just about any Android user's need. Unlike the Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, the Ultra has a 5,000 mAh, a quadruple camera module with space zoom, an extra telephoto camera, and a 108-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a storage option of up to 512GB. It also makes use of the Gorilla Glass Victus to make it more durable than the other models. It is a lot heavier as well, however, weighing at 8.07 ounces to the S21 6.03 and the Plus is 7.12 ounces. What's pretty cool about the Ultra is that it can also make use of Wacom pens, which, as an owner of both Intuos and Wacom One, I have plenty of. One of the deal breakers most people have with the S21 series, however, is the fact that the storage is no longer expandable, as Samsung finally ditched the micro SD slots. Depending on where you pre-ordered or if you did, you can also get a pair of Galaxy Buds Pro, the color of which matches what you selected as the color of your phone, and a Galaxy tag. Since I pre-ordered mine right from Samsung's own website, I also got a hefty price cut for my unit. Other stores that did pre-orders, however, took a different approach, offering instead a Galaxy Tab A and/or a free 25 watts wall charger than the discounted price. Alright, so right here we have the side-by-side comparison of the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the iPhone 8 Plus. As you guys can see, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is a lot bulkier than its predecessors, and that's because of the camera bump, as you can see right here. And just to prove a point on how awesome the Galaxy S21 Ultra's camera is, here I am using it for the final segment of this unboxing video, one of which, when the year started, I really didn't think I would be doing. This is actually a better camera than the one I've been using for my videos thus far. So crisp and clear. But anyways, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, you guys know the drill. Dream on, fly on. Bye bye now. Keep safe, everyone.